The doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No, you sing it this time.
No. Can't.
Why can't you?
Put this on, please.
Well, what do you have on before your top?
A hat.
No, what do we put on before we put a top on?
The bag. The top. The top.
You put your vest on first, don't we?
Yes. My top.
Pyjama's top, it's fair, darling, but I think I've got to go and get you some jammy bottoms.
My top. Monkey Papa, please.
Come on then.
Mummy can't.
Yes, you can.
Busy.
You're too busy?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we can't have the monkeys then, can we?
Yes.
Well, you sing it, then I'll sing it.
No. Can't.
Well, can you sing me the bobbing song?
It's cold.
It's a pyjama top.
I'm in the back. I got a top.
You have? We need to get you some pyjama bottoms, though.
My buttons. If I put it on, if I put
Boo! Where's she gone? Boo!
Hello.
Hello, silly Billy. You going to go to Bulby's like a good girl tonight?
My side.
No, in your bed.
My bed. My bed.
Yeah, your bed. What colour's your bed?
The pink. Mummy.
What colour's your pyjama top?
There.
Yeah, what colour's your pyjama top?
No.
The one on Mummy's pillow.
Can't see it.
You just got your hand on it. Your other hand. You a silly Billy.
Again.